In this video, we'll see how to compare design options and control design option visibility in views. And we'll also see how to accept the primary option to take the design forward. Let's start by opening the file Compare Design Options. And we're looking at the Level 2 floor plan in this file. Going to the Manage Ribbon tab and looking on the design options, we can see we have an option set for the roof and also for the upper floor partitions, with option 1 being primary for the roof and option 2 primary for the upper floor. If I change to option 1 for the upper floor, we can see the location of the partitions for that design option. We also have a 3D view to show the layout of the upper floor, so we'll open this up and we can see that this is also displaying the active option. We'll change this back to main model. So in order to compare the design options, we'll create some duplicate views and then assign specific options to be displayed in those views. So from the project browser, we'll right click on the upper floor and choose to duplicate the view. We'll do this once more to create a view for each option. And we'll rename these views to upper floor option 1 and also to upper floor option 2. And now we're currently looking at the option 2 view. So we'll go to the Properties palette and choose to edit the Visibility Graphic Overrides. Looking in here now, we can see we have a tab for Design Options, and currently both the option sets are set to be automatic, which means they'll display whichever the active design option is. So we'll choose the upper floor set, and we'll set this to Always Show option 2. Then we'll choose OK, and this won't actually change just now, but if I do change the active option to option 1, we can see that isn't reflected in this view. So we'll go to the upper floor option 1 view, and this is reflected in the current active design option. So we'll go to the Visibility Graphic Overrides of this view, and from the design options, we'll make sure that this always displays option 1. So we'll choose OK, and if I now swap this back to the main model, we can see option 1 stays displayed in this view. We'll repeat this with the plan views. So we'll right click the level 2 view, and this time we'll choose Duplicate with Detailing so that we maintain the actual tags for the rooms. We'll do this once more, Duplicate View with Detailing, and we'll rename these to option 1 and option 2 as well. And now we have these two views. We'll edit their Visibility Graphic Overrides, and once again we'll change the level 2 option 2 view to show the option 2 in the upper floor option set. And in the option 1 view, we'll change it to show the option 1. And we can see that now reflected in this view. So now we'll place these onto a drawing sheet. So from the project browser, we'll open up the sheet A101 unnamed. And first, I'll take the upper floor option 1 3D view and place this onto the sheet. And we'll place the option 2 3D view next to it. And now we'll take the option 1 plan view and place this beneath the option 1 3D view, and then do the same with the option 2 plan view. And now zooming in, we can see the plan view showing us option 2 along with the 3D view to reflect that. Then our plan view showing us option 1 along with its 3D view to reflect that. Regardless of which option we set current, those views will always remain showing their respective options. We'll go back to the main model, and if we decide that option 2 is the one that we'd like to take forward, we can choose to accept this option and merge it back into the main model. And to do this, from the Manage Ribbon tab, we'll go to the Design Options. We have the upper floor option set selected, and we can see option 2 is our primary option. So we'll choose to accept the primary option for the upper floor option set. We have a warning just letting us know that if we continue with this, then the objects for option 1 will be deleted. So we'll choose yes to continue, and now it's also letting us know that the two views that we've created that reference option 1 will also be deleted, assuming that we leave them checked. So we'll leave them checked and choose delete. We can see that those two views have now been deleted from the project, and the upper floor option set has also been deleted. So we'll choose close, and we'll go back to our 3D view, And we can see now that the objects that were in the option are now part of the main model, and we can continue to develop this design without having to change options. So that completes this video. And to recap, in this video we've seen how to compare design options and control design option visibility in views. And we've also seen how to accept the primary option to take the design forward.